So hey guys, welcome to my channel Entry3W Coding and Tech. So our today's question is to find the HCF between two integers. Okay, so now what's an HCF? HCF is nothing but the largest integer that can divide the given number without leaving a remainder. Okay, now let's see here with an example. Factors of 18 are these, factors of 27 are these. So we'll find the common factors and then we find the HCF. Okay, so in the case of 18 and 27, our HCF becomes to be 9. Now let's code and see if it's working, if we can code that or no. Int main, I'll need to declare some variables, a for my first integer, b for my second, and gcd, where I'll store the gcd or the HCF. Now printf, please enter the two numbers. Okay, now let me use a \n over here. Now scanf %d comma and a comma and b. Okay, now I'm going to use one for loop. Okay, for I equal to 1, I should be less than and equal to a, and at the same time, and implies at the same time I should be less than and equal to b. I plus plus, I should keep on incrementing. Now if a divided by I, it's the mod symbol which gives us the remainder. Okay, if a is divided by I and its remainder is equal to 0, at the same time and at the same time b is divided by I, which gives us the remainder equal to 0, then I'll make my GCD equal to I. Okay, and now one final step remaining to print my GCD. The GCD of number A and number B is GCD. Okay, it's also an integer, so we're going to use %d. Note, we can also use %i over here. Okay, now first is A, then B, then GCD. Okay, and in the end return 0 since we are using an int main function. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, why I'm using an online compiler? Because I'm facing some issues in my VS Code. Okay, let's run this example only, which we saw in this website. Okay, we saw 18 and 27. Okay, cool. 18 and 27. Okay, you didn't compile. Okay, 18 and 27. GCD of 18 and 27 is 9. It is correct what we got over here. Okay, so this is how we find the GCD or the highest common factor between two numbers. There's one more method by recursion. We could do it, but I need you to try it on your own and we'll discuss it in another further tutorial. Okay, so that's it for now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and follow on my Instagram. I post there amazing stuff relating to C programming. If you really liked it, share it with your friends and follow me. Okay, thank you.